How to become a remote electronic notary in Nevada. In this video, you'll learn how to register as a remote electronic notary, which allows you to perform online notarizations. Let's get started. First, you need to have a traditional Nevada Notary Public Commission. Next, you'll need to sign into your account on the Secretary of State's Business Portal website. There, you'll register for the state-required RON training course and pay the $45 registration fee. Then you'll need to complete the online e-notary application form and pay the $50 application fee. After your application is filled out, you must take the 3-hour RON training and pass the exam included at the end of that course. Next, you'll need to get supplies including a digital certificate containing your electronic signature, an electronic seal, and an electronic journal that are all compatible with a state-approved RON technology provider of your choice. To complete the e-notary registration process, you'll need to upload a PDF file of your e-signature and e-seal. Once your application is approved, you'll be able to offer online notary services to signers located anywhere in the world using audio-video technology. Just remember, as the e-notary public, you must be in Nevada when performing the notarization. For more information, view the resources in the description below or visit nationalnotary.org/NevadaRON.